Isang babaeng person with disability.
Isang lalaking nanggahasa umano ng estudyanteng may intellectual disability.
Pinatay at inunog ang isang babaeng KWD o
Every person wants the same simple things: respect, understanding, and the chance to live with dignity. Yet, for people with disabilities, everyday interaction can sometimes become barriers instead of bridges, not because of bad intentions, but because of uncertainty, assumptions, or lack of awareness.
Good morning, friends.
Hello, classmate.
Hello, classmate.
Hello. Good morning.
Okay, class. Makinig kayo. Dadako na tayo ngayon sa ating art class. Ngayon, nabibigyan ko kayo ng isang papel at ito kayo ng ulo. At pili ko kayong kumamit ng mga colors. Naintindihan ba, mga bata?
Oo. Ano yan?
Color pen.
Color pen?
Yes po.
Ang ganda naman yan.
Yes po. Ganda talaga.
Pwede akin na lang yan.
Akin to.
Akin na lang.
Akin to.
Sige na.
Binigay to ni Mama.
Akin na lang to. Akin na lang to. Akin na lang to.
Iwanin ko yung...
Okay lang ba sa'yo, Ren? Na-share kayo na i-review mo to?
Opo. Okay lang ma'am.
So, Aaron, okay lang sa'yo? Na-share kayo na Ren?
Okay lang.
Sige, share kayong dalawa, ha? Aaron, sorry na muna kay Ren. So, sorry sa
Sorry, Reds.
Okay lang po.
Inclusion is not about doing something special. It's about treating people as a people.